And good morning, Facebook. How are we today? Another bright and sunny day here in Cheshire, down at the SimplyDiag Community Hub. It promises to be bright and sunny. I've even put my shorts on in preparation. So here we go. Turned out in long pants, got to work, thought no, today's a shorts day, so I put my shorts on. Well, as you can see from the poster behind, we've got a new community partner, Dutton UK. Really pleased about that. They've been supporting our members now for the best part of a year, so really happy to welcome them on board as a Stronger Together partner. Morning, Andy. How are you, mate? Yeah, Thursday. What a day. It's not quite the weekend, but it's starting to get the feel goods, you know what I mean? Yeah, we had a brilliant day yesterday, and but today promises to be even better. So let's have a look what we got. Morning, Mike. How are you, mate? Morning, Ross. Last day before your holidays. Where are you going, Ross? Anywhere nice? Morning, Alex. How are you, mate? Right, so what have we got? Let's have a look. I'll put my coffee down. I don't know where my number 9 is. Look at that. It's beautiful, that. You're a Disney. Good lad. Good lad. We've got, in the hub today, we've got a new tool. They've dropped... Jack dropped us a new tool off yesterday. It's the Dutton Ultra Diag, I think it is. Let's hope, yep, Dutton Ultra Diag. Lovely little handheld thing, and it does, you can see, diagnostics and immobilizer functions all in one. Look at this, nice little handheld unit. Dongle on the back, magnetic. Really like the look of that. Really like the look of that. So we're going to give that a road test over the next few days. They're changing the software a bit. It's sort of a hybrid between the launch operating system that these work on, and it's got a bit of an hotel feel to it. So yeah, I'm quite looking forward to having a look at that. It looks pretty good, pretty cool. So we'll go and give that a road test over the next few days. What else have we got going on? We've got all sorts going on. Still got to put the signs up there. I'll just show you. So we've got, obviously, the Garage Vitals board and the HR Vitals board, two of our awesome Stronger Together community partners. Those boards are going up there in that space there, pride of place. So can't wait for that. Stephen, that Artipad one, mate, great tool, that. Alfina, good morning. Afina, good morning. Saludos. What else have we got going on? So we've got a bit of board putting up today. In an hour and 22 minutes, we've got the final part in this cycle of live training from the DPF Doctor, part 12, brand awareness and marketing. Morning, John. How are you, mate? This has been a really good 12-part series on the training. And then somebody asked yesterday the question. So if we look at here, we go into training reruns. So they're all available the same day as they've been broadcast, and every one of them's a little bit different. So there's loads. There's even other stuff in there. So I did a troubleshooting 101, a 2-parter there in there. We've got some marketing masterclass from D Blick. There's all sorts of stuff. So there's a full archive of training reruns, and then on the training portal we've got all the video guides. There's hundreds and hundreds of video files. So this is all the just-in-time learning. It's absolutely brilliant. Really good stuff. But an hour and 21 minutes. There we go. We get to be in Ashington all over again. So come and join us at the DPF Doctor. If you're interested in being the best you can be, speak to the team at Diagnostic Connections and DC Tuning. They'll get you signed up for one easy annual payment. And you've got all that goodness. Over 200 hours, you're right there, John. Yeah, you've got all that DPF specialisation. It's probably the biggest DPF training archive on the planet, I would say. It's absolutely fantastic. What else have we got? We've got a Honda with a misfire, P0303. Misfire. It's a 65 plate Honda something or other, red Honda with a misfire. Now this has actually come from one of our community members. So this has come from John, and him and his lad are coming down this morning. We've got it on the ramp overnight. We've left it overnight to go cold. It's got misfire from cold, and we're going to run through some oscilloscope basics, how to do a relative compression test, how to use a pressure pulse sensor. Morning, Andrew. How are you, mate? I did see your messages, mate, and I've really not forgotten. I'm just way busy at the moment, mate. But I'll get that sorted for you as soon as possible, mate. Yeah, so it's got a misfire when cold. So we're going to run through the basics of compression testing, relative compression testing with pressure pulse sensors for John and his lad, both members of the SimplyDiag Network, and they're fully utilising the membership benefits for that one little monthly fee. So if you want to ride along, follow the pinned post in SimplyDiag.net. You too can bring your broken cars, fix them, and get trained at the same time. Absolutely awesome. Then what else have we got today? Bit of an ADAS job on today. So we've got 65 plate Passat, hit a pothole or something like that. This is in for a radar calibration today. It was done. We checked the tracking and the four-wheel alignment on it yesterday. Obviously that's a prerequisite for doing any calibration. And offside rear and near side front caster and camber were way out. So yeah, Ross, awesome, mate. I can't wait to see you as well. So yeah, we're gonna get that on. We're gonna get the ADAS, the Autocom ADAS rig set up on flat level ground, and we'll get that calibrated today. Get that radar calibrated. For those of you that don't know on this, these badges, don't break them. They're very expensive. They're made of very special material. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. Ride along Thursday. Well, half a ride along sort of thing. John's only in Stoke, so nipping down. A couple of hours we'll have him sorted, done and dusted. We'll have the diagnosis, and I've also had a couple of hours scope training, one-on-one. So can't be bad, that, can it? So listen, whatever you're doing today, Thursday, if it's your birthday today, happy birthday. If it was yesterday and I missed it, happy birthday. If it's your birthday tomorrow, awesome. Birthday on a Friday, happy birthday for tomorrow. Whatever you're doing today, be the best you can be. Thanks for watching. You're awesome.